Saving money used to feel completely pointless to me. I was trying so hard to be responsible, skipping takeout, saying no to nights out, tracking every dollar, but life still felt fragile. One surprise bill and my small savings would disappear. I felt like money was in control, not me. In this video, I want to explain why it feels that way at first, and why everything really changed once I reached my first $10,000. We all hear the same advice growing up. Save your money, build an emergency fund, be responsible. But nobody tells you how it actually feels when your savings are tiny. For years I tried. Every dollar I put away felt like a sacrifice. I skipped dinners with friends, put off buying new clothes, stressed over a $50 oil change. It hurt right away. Then something would happen. Brakes on the car, a medical copay, and overnight my progress was gone. I remember staring at a nearly zero balance, thinking, what's the point? I'm giving up things now and it still doesn't protect me. That feeling isn't laziness, it's just real psychology. Your brain pushes back when there's pain but no real reward yet. Here's the hard truth I learned. Small savings don't create real safety. They just buy you a little time. I once had about $800 saved. I felt proud for a second. Then the transmission started slipping. Repair? Wiped out in one hit. Later, I got up to $2,500. Lost a freelance client out of nowhere. It gave me a couple weeks, but the anxiety never really went away. I was still checking my account every day, still feeling fragile. Putting away $50 or $100 a month felt pointless because nothing in my daily life changed. Same bills, same income stress, same fear. Deep down, my brain knew one real emergency and I'd be right back at zero. Let's look at the actual numbers because this isn't just my story. According to Bankrate's 2025 Emergency Savings Report, only about 41% of Americans could cover a $1,000 unexpected expense from savings. The rest, they'd use credit, borrow from family, or cut back hard. Average car repairs are around
Emergencies
$800 to
can be costly.
$1,000 or more.
For example,
Medical surprises,
the average
rent
car
increases,
repair is around
big vet bills, they hit
$838.
fast. When I had just $1,000 or $2,000 saved, I wasn't safe. I was one bad month away from scrambling again. Early saving feels pointless not because it is, but because it hasn't reached the level where it actually acts as a buffer. Everything shifted for me around $10,000. Not in some magical way, but mentally. I remember hitting that number. It took years of consistent small deposits, cutting extras, picking up side work when I could. Suddenly, an $800 car repair didn't wipe me out. An unexpected medical bill. Annoying, but covered. No panic. I stopped checking my account obsessively every single day. Emergencies stopped feeling like disasters. For the first time, money wasn't controlling every little decision. It finally had breathing room. I've talked to so many people who say the same. 10,000 is often the first real cushion. That's when saving stops feeling like punishment and starts feeling like power. I used to think money was all about the total number in the account. It's not. It's about margin, the gap between what comes in and what you absolutely need to survive. Before 10,000, my margin was razor thin. One slip and everything fell apart. After, I had real breathing room. I started making calmer choices, no more emotional spending out of fear, no more panicking over small bills. That margin changed everything for me. Saving went from painful to powerful. This is where I almost messed up and where so many people do. I reached a few thousand, started feeling safe, loosened up, upgraded my phone, ate out more, thought the hard part was over. Savings stalled. The stress crept back in. I learned the tough way. Safety isn't a one-time number, it's consistency. The real goal isn't hitting 10,000 once, it's building a boring, repeatable system that keeps the savings growing. I reset, recommitted, and that's when the momentum actually stuck. If I could talk to my younger self, here's what I'd say.
Before you worry about investing, side hustles, or complicated strategies, your only mission is to reach that first 10,000 without burning out or panicking. For me, that meant simple things: automatic transfers every paycheck, boring discipline, ignoring what everyone else was doing, protecting my margin no matter what. It wasn't exciting, it was slow, but it built the foundation that everything else stands on. If it feels hard right now, you're not failing, you're just in the uncomfortable early phase, and it's temporary. If saving feels pointless to you at this moment, know that it felt pointless to me too, until it didn't. The first phase is slow, unrewarding, sometimes even painful, but it passes. Once you build that margin, money stops being constant pressure and starts being control. I'm proof it really does change everything. If this resonated with you, subscribe to Ryan Invest for more real, no-hype money thinking. Think long-term, build quiet wealth.